Welcome everybody to our YouTube channel. Here we have the beauty of having your own business and developing financial freedom is that you get to choose wherever you go, whenever you want to go. Right now it's a beautiful day in Hawaii. We have nice lush green, perfect weather. We have some tips and strategies to help you save time, make you more money on our premierwealthbuilders.com. So check it out. Select the topics you might be interested in. There's different ways to earn extra income because we all believe in multiple streams. Have anything to say?
Hey, aloha everybody. We're over here in Manoa on the island of Oahu, and later on we're gonna be picking up some mangoes and some papayas, and yeah, come visit us. Talk to you soon.
Okay. Have a great day.
Work from anywhere.